In this video, we listed the 5 best fishing drone on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. D8 Pro RC Professional Drone. The D8 Pro drone offers a range of features and capabilities for both beginners and enthusiasts in the world of aerial photography and drone flying. With a focus on smooth flight and safety, the D8 Pro boasts a variety of advanced functionalities such as an adjustable lens, electronic pan-tilt stabilization, GPS return system, obstacle avoidance technology, and a powerful brushless motor for strong wind resistance. The drone's 20-minute flight endurance and intelligent flight modes, including follow, waypoint, and orbit, provide users with creative freedom and ease of control. Additionally, features like gesture photography, MV production, and 50x zoom add a touch of amusement to the flying experience. The drone's compact design, convenient usage scenarios, and safety features make it suitable for capturing daily life moments, travel adventures, and aerial perspectives of natural beauty. Overall, the D8 Pro is a versatile and feature-rich drone that combines functionality with entertainment for users of various skill levels. Number 2. FIMI Mini 3 New Drone. The FIMI Mini 3 is a cutting-edge drone packed with advanced features that cater to both professionals and beginners alike. It boasts a 4K, 60 FPS video recording capability, thanks to the Sony 48MP half-inch sensor, ensuring detailed footage in any lighting condition. The AI Super Night Video feature and 3-axis mechanical gimbal guarantee stunning and stable aerial shots, even in low light and windy conditions. With a 9 km video transmission range using the dual-band SoLink system, users can enjoy real-time streaming with minimal latency. The drone's ultralight design, USB Type-C fast-charging battery, and strong wind resistance make it a versatile and reliable companion for aerial photography and videography. The FIMI Mini 3 also excels in features like 8K time-lapse photography, advanced satellite positioning, and smart tracking modes, making it a comprehensive tool for capturing breathtaking aerial footage. Additionally, the drone comes with a user-friendly app, a portable remote controller, and precise landing capabilities, enhancing the overall flying experience. Number 3. KF102 MAX GPS Drone. The XYRC KF102 MAX drone boasts a range of impressive specifications and features suitable for users of varying skill levels. With a strong anti-wind ability and a lightweight design of 100G, this drone can be used both indoors and outdoors. It offers multiple video capture resolutions including 4K UHD, 8K UHD, and 6K UHD, along with a 2-axis gimbal camera mount for stable footage. The controller options include Mode 1 and Mode 2, catering to different preferences. The drone features a flight time of 5 to 10 minutes, powered by a 7.4V 2200 mAh controller battery. Equipped with a brushless motor and various flight modes like app-controlled, auto-return, and follow me, this drone ensures an engaging aerial photography experience. The package includes essential accessories like the camera, batteries, remote controller, and operating instructions, all housed in the original box. Certified with CE, this electric-powered drone from XYRC is recommended for users aged 14 and above, offering an array of features such as GPS, integrated camera, and Wi-Fi connectivity. With a striking orange-gray color scheme and a durable plastic and metal construction, this ready-to-go drone is a versatile and capable choice for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Number 4. CFLY Faith Mini Drone. Their Faith Mini drone is a compact and lightweight drone weighing 230g, making it easy to carry around due to its foldable design. It comes with features like GPS and optical flow positioning for accurate and smooth flight control. The drone offers 5G Wi-Fi FPV for real-time transmission of 1080p videos and 4K photos captured by its 4K HD camera with a 3-axis brushless gimbal for stable footage. Equipped with a brushless motor, the drone is powerful and quiet, ensuring an enjoyable flight experience with minimal breakdowns. Additional features include altitude hold mode, 1-key takeoff, landing, 1-key return, and 1-key following mode for ease of operation. With a flight time of up to 27 minutes and various safety features like low power and overcurrent protection, the FIMI Mini drone offers a user-friendly aerial photography experience. Number 5. SG108 Pro 4K GPS Drone. The SG108 Pro drone is a feature-packed quadcopter designed for aerial photography and outdoor use. Equipped with a pressure sensor for height setting, brushless motor, and a 2-axial stabilized mechanical pan tilt, this drone offers stable and precise flight capabilities. It utilizes 5G Wi-Fi for smartphone connectivity and 2.4 GHz for remote control, allowing for a control distance of up to 1,000 meters. The drone boasts a flying height of 0 to 120 meters, a flight endurance of approximately 28 minutes, and a charging time of about 4 hours. With a variety of smart features such as GPS follow, image tracking, gesture shooting recognition, and route planning, users can enjoy a seamless flying experience. The drone's camera offers high-quality video and photo resolutions, including 4K UHD video capture. Other specifications include anti-wind ability, a lightweight design weighing 230 grams, and a takeoff weight of less than 1 kilogram. With a foldable design, adjustable camera, and various flight modes, the SG108 Pro drone is a versatile and user-friendly option for drone enthusiasts.